Dresx. Me AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently. In this video, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking software. Whether you're a digital marketer, a content creator, or just someone looking to explore the latest in AI innovation, stick around because by the end of this, you'll know exactly why Dresx.me AI is making waves and how it can transform your work. Now, before we get started, if you're curious to try this software yourself, I've linked a free trial in the description below. Yes, completely free, so be sure to check that out after the video. First up, Dresx.me AI is an incredibly powerful tool that brings fashion and technology together in ways you probably haven't seen before. Imagine dressing yourself virtually without needing to even leave your home. This AI allows you to create, customize, and explore outfits without trying them on physically. It's essentially your digital closet powered by AI that adapts to your style, your body, and even your preferences. What sets this software apart from others is the precision with which it can create virtual outfits. The AI scans your measurements, your style preferences, and suggests a variety of clothing options, but it doesn't stop there. Dresx. Me AI takes it even further by generating customized recommendations that match your personal style and even your current wardrobe, giving you a totally tailored experience. Another key feature is its integration with augmented reality. You can actually see how clothing will look on you in real time through your phone or computer screen. It's like trying on clothes without stepping foot into a store. For anyone who's into fashion or online shopping, this feature will totally change the game, saving you time and money while giving you the confidence that what you see virtually will look great in person. What makes Dresx.me AI stand out in a crowded market is how user-friendly it is. The interface is sleek and intuitive, which means you can get started in just a few clicks. There's no steep learning curve here, and the setup is a breeze. Plus, it's designed to be as fast as possible, so you can get the most out of your experience without waiting around for endless loading screens. For businesses, this software offers powerful tools for marketing and customer engagement. Dresx. ME AI allows you to create virtual fashion campaigns, helping brands boost their reach and engage with customers in a whole new way. Imagine running a campaign where potential buyers can see your products on themselves virtually. This level of personalization is something that most businesses have been striving for, and Dresx ME AI makes it possible. Now, let's talk about the pricing. You may be wondering if this cutting-edge software is going to break the bank. The good news is, Dresx ME AI is designed to be affordable, offering flexible subscription plans that make it accessible for both casual users and professionals. You can get started with a free trial, so there's really no risk in giving it a try and seeing how it works for your needs. One thing you should know is that Dresx Me AI continuously improves and updates its features. The team behind this software is clearly focused on innovation and user feedback. As AI technology advances, you can expect Dresx Me to stay ahead of the curve, making this not just a one-time tool, but an investment that grows with you. Lastly, if you're someone who loves keeping up with the latest AI software, Dresx.me AI is absolutely worth your attention. It's one of those tools that's going to continue changing how we shop, create, and engage with digital fashion. And trust me, after trying out thousands of AI tools myself, this one stands out in terms of both quality and innovation. So if you're ready to dive in and try it for yourself, remember the link to start your free trial is in the description below. And if you want to discover more amazing AI software like Dresx.me, I've got a list of my top recommended tools down there as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.